Eirtight develops cloud solutions, so we develop new software in the cloud, or we transition existing business systems over to the cloud. So we're really seen as a white knight company, a business that can come in and be presented with a challenge that's particularly difficult and develop a solution for that. We focus on developing really complex solutions for really complex problems. So an example of that would be where we worked in Haiti. We were engaged by a mobile telco Comcell in Haiti in 2009 to go in and evaluate their systems and see where there might be a risk of a system falling over or causing a problem. And we identified their billing system as one such area. So what we did is we developed a system that sat in between their billing system and the credit top-up system where people were making credit top-ups to their phones. And this really came into its own when the earthquake happened in January 2010, because had our system not been in place, all of the requests going into the billing system would have actually overloaded that system and caused the entire mobile network to fall over. But because our system was sitting there in the middle, it took all of those requests in and was able to slowly filter those down into the system without it causing a problem. And as a result, the mobile system stayed functional and operational, and that played a significant role in the relief efforts in the country after the earthquake. Well, the Windows Azure platform was ideal for this particular application because of the scalability and the performance requirements that such a mission-critical system has. So that's why we identified it originally as the system that we wanted to use, and why it's worked out so well. So there are various evolving business requirements that the client has, and the Azure platform has handled those requirements with ease. So what we've been able to do since we deployed the system is validate the business case behind moving these types of systems over to the cloud using the Azure platform. And as a result, now we're being engaged by a number of other organisations to do similar types of work. Moving this system over to the Azure platform made a lot of sense because of the 99.9% uptime guarantee. So that was for a business system that's such a critical part of the network. It was essential that we had that level of performance and that kind of guarantee, and that's worked out fine. It's exactly the kind of performance levels that are needed, and it's delivering everything that it needs to deliver. We've validated the business case for cloud computing now, and we're going to continue to migrate more and more systems over to the Windows Azure platform. We're working with clients in over 30 countries now to develop these types of solutions, and now we're going to more than double in size this year, so we're pretty excited about the future.